Yeah, everyone, now I am at Gong Forest, and then I park our motorbike here. Then I go trekking and swimming in the lake at the waterfall. In the past, the road is allowed to go up the top, but now not allowed at all. So, and here is the last destination. Okay, and you can see what is it inside. You please follow us. We are excited to review you.
Rồi.
Yeah, everyone, I am happy. I meet two foreigners here. Now I want to question them. Excuse me, sir. At first, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. My name is Papa Thoại. Yeah, I am a Vietnamese. And at first, what are your name, please?
My name is Igor.
Yeah, and you?
My name is Elena.
Oh, okay.
She's
And-
my wife.
Yeah. Oh, it's great. And how long have you been to Nha Trang?
We were here
Yeah.
for 2 days.
Okay.
And we are going to stay here for 2 months, maybe, or
Right.
maybe
Yeah.
Maybe more.
Oh, right.
And really beautiful places
yeah.
here.
And why do you stay here long?
Why? Because it's an amazing place. Vietnam is really beautiful.
Oh, okay. It's great, right?
Yeah, great.
And I am a bit curious. Why you know here? Why you know Honpa Waterfall? And who recommend you?
I
Google.
just surf internet.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
great. Okay.
Just in Google, we Google all places around
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Google-
Nha Trang
Google
and
Maps.
Google
Okay.
said us.
Yeah.
This place.
And I think this is the first time you have been here, right?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes,
Okay,
of course.
and you are excited to go inside,
Of
right?
course.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very
follow me,
excited.
please. Thank you. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah, everyone. This area is Gong Forest. You know, and here you can see clubhouse, zip line start, and ATV parking, restroom, kid zone. Okay, and we go another way to waterfall. Yeah, my friends, the road is the slippery. Be careful, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We are walking down. Oh, you're looking down. It's an amazing place for us to check and swim. Yeah.
À chưa anh à.
Mình tham quan.
Đúng rồi, mình tham quan xí à. Rồi, cảm ơn nhiều nha.
Nếu mà mình có đặt món ăn thì mình lên ngoài để Tân tặng giúp em thôi.
Ok, cảm ơn. Đi anh đi. Đi. Dạ anh đi ơi. Nãy anh ra anh hỏi mà tưởng mình đặt bàn. Nó xin phép tham quan xí rồi. Mình
And
đi.
here is the tent. The tent is you went to relax in the tent, and you can rent, and after that you can order food here.
your voice is water on the form, yeah?
Yeah.
Because of one system.
And everyone at the corn forest serve lunch here. Lunch especially serving the traditional food. Yeah, like chicken, pork, beef, and something else. I think it is amazing food. Yeah. My friend, that we go this way, right?
Chuẩn bị nó hết pin rồi anh ơi.
Hả?
Rồi lấy mấy em bỏ vô.
Rồi thay, tắt thay. Cái
Rồi.
Yeah, everyone. This is Honda stream. Yeah, the water here you can see. Yeah, it's cool and fresh water. After lunch, we can swim here. If you are interested in the trekking to the mountain, you go across one side to another side, and you keep walking, and then you can see a big lake. If you like something adventure, you can climb on the tree and jump in the lake. Yeah, another lake there is very deep. Rồi được thấy. You go slowly, okay? Yeah, okay, my friend. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, hold my hand. Wait for me. Yes, hold on.
Hả? Yeah! Woo! Good.
Yeah, okay, my friend. We move another place. Okay, thank you. My friend, and here is slippery. Be careful, right? Be careful. Yeah, okay. You hold my hand. Okay, you hold my hand. Here is slippery. Be careful. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Now you jump over. One. Yeah, and hold my hand. Yeah, hold my hand. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, hold my hand, please. Hold my hand. Yeah, one. Yeah, good. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, okay, my friend. Yeah. And here also slippery. Be careful. Be careful, right? A step. You go step by step, please. Yeah, right. Okay, right, my friend. Right, my friend. Yeah, and you, yeah, and you hold, and then you follow me. You because yesterday it rained heavily, so now the rock is slippery. Yeah. Step by step, my friends. And over there is a very wet, very wet, very wet. Be careful, right? Yeah. I think you can swim here. Or if you like, if you like more, you keep going. Yeah, because and another lake can be deeper.
Kind of jacuzzi.
Yeah. Wow, I think here is good, right? You can see, yeah. This is the lake. Many foreigners every time they come to Hornbar Waterfall, they come here to take a swim because the lake is amazing. Deep water is clean and very good to jumping, right? Yeah, my friend, you can do it. Yeah, at first, yeah, you can go up, okay, and you go down here and you swimming.
Jump from here.
Yeah, that's right. But be careful, right? Because the road is very wet. Step by step. Or you know, or you can swim in here too. You can swim here up and down, right? Up and down like this. Yeah. It's up to you, my friend. You can go up this way. Get easier for you. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Great. Okay, great. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and going down. Right. Yeah. Great. Okay, good. Yeah. Today it is amazing day, ladies and gentlemen. If you have an opportunity, you remember Papa Kwai channel, right? Yeah, and you?
I'm not sure.
You are not sure why?
I want to see.
Yeah, you want to see. You cannot swim. You can enjoy swimming with your husband. Like- Okay, great. Okay, thank you. Good. Yeah. You can jump in, my friend. You can jump in. Good. Okay, my friend, up your hand, my friend. Great. My friend, you can die. This place is deep, not shallow at all. Everyone, you can jump in and you swim, no problem. Yeah, not dangerous at all. Wow, yeah, very amazing, right? Good, my friend, yeah. Maybe water is strong. Yeah. Yeah, are you tired, right? Very good? Very good, right? Good. You happy, my friend? You happy? You happy? You very happy? Good. You happy? I am happy too. Oh, it start raining because here in the afternoon it often rains, light shower or the hot. Yet I don't know. What depends on God. Thanks for your watching. Everyone, if you like my channel, you please like and subscribe my channel for my motivation. And see you next video. Wish you happy weekends. Today is Saturday. Thank you so much. See you